Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, Windows says you need permission. Here's the real fix. Add your username. Select all allow option. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.